Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Golden Tulip Washington Opera. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Golden Tulip Washington Opera is located near the Louvre Museum in the center of Paris. It offers 4-star accommodation, 24-hour room service and laundry, valet services. The Golden Tulip has a large lounge, a typical Parisian overlooking at the street, and a terrace that overlooks the Palais Royale. Guestrooms are air-conditioned, soundproofed and individually decorated. Free Wi-Fi internet access is available throughout. The Golden Tulip Washington Opera is the former private residence of Madame de Pompadour. Its location in the center of Paris and close proximity to Metro Line 1 allows you to access the capital easily. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.